We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words in English. This means until now or until the point in time that is under discussion. How do you go about pronouncing it? Hitherto. Hitherto. Pretty straightforward once you know. Hitherto. In American English it would be said as hitherto. Hitherto in American English versus hitherto in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.